I can see your face. But you don't have to be moody all the time. Hmm?
How do you expect me to be honest? There's actually to be family, not to make it. Mama.
Don't worry. Let me go and lock the door and come. I want to take you to somewhere. Okay?
Yeah. Mama, I hope you know anything. Don't have to. Not
Hmm.
to reach anything.
My daughter, listen to me. I am your mother-in-law. I cannot deceive you. Eh? Native doctor is not bad. It's only when you are going there to go and see somebody or to block somebody's chance. But as far as you are going there to better your life or the life of your family, don't think there's anything wrong with it. Eh? Don't worry. Onye bụ mmadụ ụzọ siri ike na di ya enwe mgbọkpụ ike. Yeah? Now come, let me love you.
It's okay now.
As I said, the problem is you're having is the other omumu, akpari omumu, other omumu, in your husband's compound, which you people call church people to destroy.
Mm.
That is the problem that is holding her not to be a child.
Eh?
Mama.
And any of your daughter that marries outside cannot be a child also.
Hey!
So that is the problem you are having.
Hey! Izema, what am I going to do now?
The only solution is this. Go and look for people that will come and mount it back.
Ha.
That is the only solution to this problem.
So go and put it back,
Yes,
and I will be able to conceive.
yes. Go and look for people that will come and mantle it back. Simple. Your problem finished.
Hey! Izema, thank you.
You're welcome.
Yes, I love
Mm.